This diagnostic trouble code, DTC, is a generic powertrain code, which means that it applies to OBD2 equipped vehicles, including but not limited to Toyota, VW, Ford, Dodge, Honda, Chevrolet, Hyundai, Audi, Acura, etc. Specific repair steps may vary depending on the model. On vehicles equipped with variable valve timing, VVT, camshafts are controlled by hydraulic actuators fed by the engine oil system through control solenoids by the engine control module, powertrain control module, ECM-PCM. The ECM-PCM has detected the range of movement of the intake camshaft on Bank 1 is out of specifications or not operating when commanded. Bank 1 refers to the side of the engine with cylinder number 1. Be sure to verify which side is correct according to manufacturer's specifications. The intake valve control solenoid is typically located on the intake manifold side of the cylinder head. Symptoms of a P0026 DTC may include 1. MIL, malfunction indicator lamp, illumination, 2. Poor acceleration or engine performance, 3. Decreased fuel economy. Potential causes of a P0026 diagnostic trouble code may include 1. Low engine oil level or contaminated oil, 2. Clogged oil system, 3. Malfunctioning control solenoid, 4. Malfunctioning camshaft actuator, 5. Timing chain belt loose or incorrectly adjusted, 6. Malfunctioning ECM-PCM. So what are the possible solutions? Starting with engine oil. Check the engine oil level to make sure engine oil capacity is sufficient. Since the actuators work on oil pressure, the proper amount of oil is critical to ensure proper operation of the VVT system. Dirty or contaminated fluid may cause buildup, which can lead to failure of the control solenoid or the camshaft actuator. Control solenoid. The control solenoid for the camshaft can be checked for continuity using a digital volt/ohm meter, DVOM, using the ohms function. This is done by unplugging the solenoid wiring harness connector and checking the resistance of the solenoid with the plus and leads of the DVOM on each terminal. Ensure the internal resistance is within manufacturer's specifications if available. If resistance is within specifications, remove the control solenoid to verify it is not contaminated. Also check for damage to the sealing O-rings that could cause a loss of oil pressure. Camshaft actuator. The camshaft actuator is a mechanical device controlled by internal spring pressure. It is adjusted by oil supplied by the control solenoid. When no oil pressure is supplied, it will default to a safe position. Refer to the manufacturer's suggested procedure to remove the camshaft actuator from the engine's camshaft. This ensures no leaks are present that would cause a loss of oil pressure. Check the actuator's hydraulic supply/return feed lines or within the actuator itself. Check timing chain belt and components to ensure they are in proper working order. Ensure they are installed in the correct position on the camshaft gear. ECM-PCM. The ECM-PCM commands the control solenoid using a pulse width modulated signal, PWM. This regulates the amount of on-off time, resulting in control of the pressure used to move the camshaft actuator. A graphing multimeter or oscilloscope tool is required to view the PWM signal to ensure proper operation of the ECM-PCM. To check the PWM signal, the positive plus lead is tapped into the ground side of the control solenoid if supplied by constant voltage, ground controlled. Alternatively, it can be tapped into the powered side of the control solenoid if permanently grounded, positive control. The negative Shamashi lead is attached to a good known ground. If the PWM signal is not consistent with changes in engine RPM, there may be a problem with the ECM-PCM. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.